Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a cooking pot with a spoon. Are you ready to create some colorful magic? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our black marker and get started. Let's start by drawing a big half circle for the pot's base. This will be the main part of our cooking pot. Now, on top of the pot, draw a lid. Make a curved line across the top of the pot and add a cute handle right in the middle of the lid. Next, let's add two handles, one on each side of the pot. These will be the pot's ears. Right in the middle of the pot, draw a big heart. This makes our pot extra special and lovely. On one side of the pot, draw a big spoon with a curvy handle. This will be our stirring spoon.
La da 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 dee.
Great job, everyone! Your cooking pot looks amazing. Now, let's use our black marker to outline everything, making the lines bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. It's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
It's time to color. Let's grab our rainbow-colored pens and start filling in the drawing. Red color. Let's color the heart red. Orange color. Use orange for the pot handles. And add a touch of orange to the spoon bowl. Yellow color. Fill the main body of the pot with bright yellow. Green color. Let's make the lid handle green. Blue color. Color the lid a nice blue shade. Purple color. Use purple for the spoon. Wow! Look at all those beautiful colors. Fantastic job, everyone! Your colorful cooking pot looks incredible. Thank you for drawing and coloring with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun art videos. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.